today I'm sharing to you my super smooth leche flan recipe, a dessert you can't resist. But before anything else, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Before we proceed to our mixing, let's caramelize the sugar to our moulder first, or what we call llanera. Let it cool and set aside. First thing first, of course, you need to wash your hands in all food preparation and then separate the egg white and egg yolk. You will only be needing the egg yolk, and then pour your condensed milk and your evaporated milk. Then mix all together. You can add a bit of sugar in it, which is just optional. Then slowly mix all together until everything is incorporated. And then my secret to this recipe is strain, strain, and strain. I do this 3 times before I pour it to my moulder. Cook this in a steamer in a very low fire. But before doing this, don't forget to cover in a foil. Yes, if it's done, do a toothpick test. This is clean and clear, then it's cooked. Now it's tasting time. Don't forget to cool it first before serving. Look how smooth it is. So perfect. This is a double recipe because my husband is going to bring this in his work for their party. You can click the description below for the recipe or try this. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Simut sarap!